What's happening, guys? So let me show you guys how to meal prep, or how I do it, because maybe my way may not help you, or maybe your way is better than mine. I don't know, but let me show you what I do. So right now I'm making homemade ramen. So maybe for dinner, maybe today, tomorrow, I really don't know, but it's something quick and easy because we all get tired and we don't really want to stop, make food. I get it. I do. You don't, maybe. I don't know. But, a couple, appliances will make your life easier. So just check this out. Right now, I'm making hard-boiled eggs and poached eggs for breakfast. And I'm also making a couple for my ramen so I can enjoy that with my soup. Now, over here, we're making a nice cucumber tomato salad with mozzarella balls with some rice vinegar and some basil. Now, guys, all this stuff cost me roughly 27 bucks. Well, it's a lot, but I still have extra. I have cucumbers for a snack. Guys, a lot of this stuff I will eat. It's going to take me about 4 or 5 days, but if not less, because a lot of this stuff is so fresh and makes you feel at home. It's not the worst. It costs you 27 bucks. It's a lot of money, but some people will rather just go buy an egg sandwich from the truck stop or buy a chicken or pizza or whatever. You can make this stuff in your truck for cheap and have extra ingredients to make it again for the price which you paid inside that truck stop. So let me show you more. Now, guys, if you want to make poached eggs, you need rice vinegar or a distilled vinegar. I like rice vinegar. It gives you a little bit more of a saltier taste. Now, there is on the internet, they say if you use salt, don't listen to it. It will break it up like crazy, so don't listen to that. Right now, I'm just frothing all the egg yolk onto the poached egg. Then we're gonna take this out. We're all just meal prepping here for breakfast and stuff. So it's always nice to have a delicious poached egg on an English muffin with some Swiss cheese. And there you have it, a nice poached egg, a nice cherry tomato and cucumber mozzarella salad. Top it off with some olive oil, and there you have it. Perfect salad, ready to go. I don't want to hear, oh, I'm so tired. Oh, I can't do it. Man, it's too hard. Give me a break. You can do it. If I could do it, you could do it. All right, so we're done meal prepping. It's time for lunchtime. Let's see what I got in my huge fridge. This is how I stock up. I have some peppers, I have heavy cream, I have everything I absolutely need, but I wanted my chicken wings that I made the other day. I'm gonna start off by pouring my buffalo sauce over inside. Give it a nice little shake. Now we are going to put the buffalo wings inside. We're gonna close this bad boy up. Turn this on. There you have it. That broil section does such a beautiful job. Guys, if you want to know what this is, it's a Drio Chef Maker. What does this thing do? It does absolutely everything. You can even put water on the top for the sous vide, and you have every other setting, but let's enjoy lunch. I'm telling you guys that you need to get this Drio Chef Maker. My meal came out so good. That buffalo sauce drizzled over the top and tossed them around and threw them in the broilers. Oh, it was crispy, flavorful. Guys, I can sit here and talk about food all day with you guys, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to talk about the Drio Chef Maker. This is not a sponsored video. If you guys do want this machine, it does wonders. It will make your life so much easier over the road. You will have toast, roast, sous vide, bake, broil, reheat, everything. You can even make pizzas in this thing, but I have a Galans to make my pizzas because it comes out perfect. But you do need an 1800 watt inverter, something high, because this puts out 1800. So definitely take that into account. Guys, if you guys do cook in your truck and you do get this machine, you need to idle your truck, because if you don't idle it, your batteries will go low. This thing sucks a lot of power. Now, guys, if you want to see more recipes and you want to see more meal prepping, smash that like button and subscribe below. head over to my shorts. All my other recipes will be all there. Crazy ones and great ones that you guys will love and enjoy. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for getting me to at least 611 subscribers. It's not a lot, but thank you guys. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for more.